How do landlords protect themselves in this crazy regulatory environment? I think the first thing that all landlords need is they need 6 months worth of reserves. If you have 6 months worth of reserves for that mortgage payment set aside in a separate account, all of a sudden that property is starting to be protected, number one. Number two, do you feel comfortable driving there at night? If you don't feel comfortable, you wouldn't get out of your car, you wouldn't take your family there, well, that's the type of tenant you're going to get. So maybe spend a little more money, get a nicer property in a nicer area. You got to get real strict about your tenant screening right now. Make sure the quality of your property is high enough that you can get the best quality tenant in that area. If there's houses right near each other, and mine has the luxury vinyl plank, and mine has the quartz countertop, and the yard's clean, no windows are cracked, roof looks good, and the one down the street has P-lam vinyl and it's got moss growing on the roof. Just that simple pride of ownership can get you a better tenant. And then you've got to go through the hardcore stuff, down the first month's deposit, last month's deposit, tenant history, credit reports, things like that. And maybe they even send you some references. If you do those things and just follow the steps, create a process and go back through it, you're going to get phenomenal tenants. In the years that we have done rental properties, we've only had to evict like 3 people. It's not that much. But we also don't buy in a horrible neighborhood, the worst property, and we keep our properties in tip-top condition, and we have reserves there to protect ourselves.